me, y'all. That's right. You see it. You see the black box. You see the older black box. I got an older kit because I love this kit. I love to dance, and this reminded me of dancing. So I got, that's right, Greet the Morning. Doesn't she just look like she is leaping for joy? Let's pull this one. There we go. So this is a smaller kind of kit. It is a 34 by 29. It is round drills. And I've been trying to decipher some of these DAC SKUs. And look at this right here. That says AB1. So we're going to find out if this canvas has an AB in it. Is there an AB hiding in this canvas? Let me pull you down. There we go. All right. I love her just leaping for joy at the sunset or the sunrise. Not really sure. I guess it could be either one. Well. Alrighty. Put this there. If you have never seen the Diamond Art Club kit, it has baggies. It has a tray, a clear tray. It has 2 pieces of heart-shaped wax to tell you that they love you. There is a blue pen and a blue squishy. All right. So, I have no idea, none, how many beads are here. So I'm going to unroll this looking the other way. I'm going to roll it backwards. Not trying to look at it. Not trying at all to look. Because I don't want to look. I don't. I want it to be a surprise. Yes, I do. Okay. Oh, this says it has 27 colors. And I do see an AB. All right, I'm going to have to zoom this in so that you can see, because it's kind of funny to me. You know, most of the time the ABs are above 310. If 310 is like the beginning of the regular colors, because of the fact that, you know, it's a higher number, and they put these in numerical numbers for DMCs. But it's not. It's right here. It's between 498 and 742. That's interesting. That's pretty cool. All right, since now I know there are 27 colors, I am going to put this down. I don't want to see it yet. I want to see the colors first. Let's pet it for a minute. Let's... Oh. You know, whenever you work on something that is not Diamond Art Club, and you're doing something that makes you sparkle, but not as much as Diamond Art Club does, you know, it's like you come back to these canvases and you just feel it, and it's like, oh, yes, much better. Yes, much better. I'm just saying. All right, let's get into this. Let's see them. I want to check out this AB. It's like when they redid it, did they just put in an AB, which is why the canvas numbers are not in the right place? You know, I have questions. Inquiring minds want to know. It's like, hey, they're doing ABs now. This is an old kit. Let's put an AB right here. Which, hey, I'm not complaining. I am not. I see the AB. It's right there. It is. And boy, are these the old kits. Look, individual baggies. All right, so let's look at them. Ooh, look at that. That is a bright orange, isn't it? Ooh, goodness. And there's an orange. And there is a yellowy orange. And these are so old, they have the count on them. They stopped doing the count. Here is like a coral color. That is beautiful. That peachy kind of, here is another peachy kind of color. I think I'll just put them in like groups of 5. 3371. Are we living the 310 life? No, but here's 310. All right, here is some dark blue. Here is some lighter blue. And I expect a lot of these kind of peachy, yellow, orange type tones just because of the sunset, the sunrise, which however you want to consider it. So here's some tan. Are these the same? No. Well, wait. 3. Yes, those are the same. Okay, so those go together. That's a pretty orange, isn't it? There's the next orange. Here are the ABs. 132. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. Love the shimmer of an AB. There's red. There's red. All right, these two are the same. I don't want to count a color twice. Here's some more 310. There's a brown. Kind of a taupe color. All right, 3861, 3860. Those look almost exactly alike. 3864. Now that's 3064. And 3064. Here's some more 3860. Let me make sure. Yes and yes. Here's some more 3861. 3830. Here is some more of this. Well, this is a really pretty dark blue. All right, so this is gonna have to go over here. It's kind of a browny color. Just trying to make sure I don't already have something like this. Nope. 939. 37. That is a pretty, it's kind of like a charcoal gray. Right there. 814. That is like a crimson red. 37. Checking. Nope. More of that one. 779. And then more 37.99. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Because I put these two down here. So I have all of my colors. I have 27 different colors. I hope to assume that they are the right colors. Right? Now, I've seen unboxings of Greet the Morning, so I guess this is a sunrise. But if nobody knew the name of it, it could be a sunset. But it is a sunrise because it is Greet the Morning. Duh. I had a squirrely moment. Did. So, I've seen unboxings of this and I've seen final reviews. kind of love that orange, that beautiful AB orange. 132 is the AB. So, okay, now let's close this back up. All right, so ready to flip it over? Pretty. That is lovely. So it has the circles around the symbols. It does have the two schematics. It's kind of small, so I don't know why they would put the two schematics on there. But, hey, you know, I'm not complaining. Okay. It's definitely sticky. It's definitely shimmery. I'm a little confused by this leg right here. But yeah, I'm not against ripping up some beads and putting some others down to smooth something out. I'm going to get you down into this leg, and we're going to look at this kind of together. Let me focus you, because, you know, manual focus is for real. Okay, there we go. So, if we can get the glare off, this to me looks a little jagged. I mean, look. Let's pull this up a little bit. See, this is kind of smooth here. But this leg, what is up with this leg? Right here, this foot. I'm gonna give it a try and see if it's better when it's done. If not, I will rip up some of these and kind of smooth it out a little bit. I mean, you know, it is what it is. Definitely clear. Definitely can see every symbol, since they did a lot of white backgrounds on the darker colors. Appreciate that. Like that a lot. So, okay, let me pull you back on out here. But she is one that, I mean, you just look at this one and it just gives you joy, and it's like she's in the middle of a joyful dance at sunrise. The colors are beautiful. I cannot wait to see how these birds turn out. So, it does have a schematic. And to me, you know, I mean, other than this leg, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this back foot. I'm not sure about the back foot. I'm just saying. But it does look like the schematic, which is, I like that. I like that. I know going in, okay, it's going to be good. It's going to be good because the picture looks like the image. Right now I have questions about this foot, but we'll see. I'm going to give it a shot. I am. Very pretty. So let's put this one back away. Alrighty. Anybody else have greet the morning? Did you like the leg? Y'all tell me down in comments now. Am I going to have to fix this leg? Am I? Just let me know. Just let me know. Am I going to have to fix this leg? Oh, well. There we go. And if you have it and you've done it, what you think? What do you think about that leg? Is it okay? Does it look okay when it's done? I mean, I'm going to give it a shot. I want to see it the way they have it charted before I go and finagle it. All right. So there you have it. If I can get the box to close. There we go. It's still trying to leap out of the box. So there you have it. All right. There is Greet the Morning. And she just looks so joyful. And I'm a big dancer. I'm a big fan of dancing. So this one will be fun to work up and fun to see. All right, guys. So until next time. Bye, y'all.